In this lecture, we'll be exploring while loops. Over here, you can see that we have a variable I set to 0, and here we have a condition which says if I is less than 10, then print the value of I and increment it with 1. So if I run this, it will keep on printing I till the value it's set to 9. And here you can see the output 0 to 9. Now, what it means is that the condition needs to be true in order for this line of statements to be executed. Let's take another example over here. So let's say here we have a password and let's set it to some value, random, and once that's done, let's ask the user to enter the password. So here I'll say input is equal to blank. Now I'll say that keep on asking the user till correct password has not been supplied. So here I'll say if while input is not equal to password, then ask the user to enter the password. And to do that, we'll be writing input, enter password. Let's save this and run it now. So here this looks like a reserved keyword, so I'll change this to input, that is INP, and here also we'll put as INP and here as well. Now let's go ahead and run this now. Here you can see it says enter password. Now if I enter anything random and press enter, and here you can see it says enter password. Now if I enter any random value and print this, you'll see that it is again asking for the password. Now let's go ahead and enter one more time a wrong password. You can see that it's still going and asking for the correct password. So now we'll be entering the correct password, that's random, and let's press enter now, and there you go. As soon as the correct password was provided, the loop exited. So we saw two implementations of the while loop over here, one with a collection, that is where I was set to 0 and we wanted it to print till 9, that is I less than 10, and then another set where we ask the user to enter a correct value based on which the loop will exit. And by the time the user was entering wrong values, the while loop was executing. So that was while loop in Python.